This air conditioner is a curb find that I picked up a little while back. They put this lovely note on it that says, "Free, take, please don't break," which is, I think, is pretty funny, but it's telling. I watch this guy, the Air Conditioner Guy is his name, the Air Conditioner Guy. He kind of influenced me to pick this up when I saw it. When I was looking at it on the street, the original owner had come outside, and I heard him calling, "Hey, wait a second," and I thought he was going to tell me not to take it, but what he actually did was help me put it in the car, and he gave me a bag with all the remote. Where is it? It's right here. He gave me a remote, and there's a remote control in it somewhere. I can find it. It's a remote right there. A bunch of screws and stuff. What he said happened was he purchased this air conditioner online from I think he said some camera, maybe beach camera. I can't remember, but I think he said beach camera, and it didn't work, and they just sent him another one and told him just to recycle it. So he just discarded it. It's got a couple of marks on it, but I don't know. I didn't ask if it ever worked, but here it is. So we're going to go ahead and try to plug it in, I guess. I looked at the filter. The filter looks nice and clean. Let's go ahead and try to plug it in and see what it does. This is actually pretty funny. Look at this. Look. Can you see that? Look how close. Can you see the plug? All right, hang on one second. Hang on. I gotta move. Let's see if I can move. Oh, you don't wanna. Yeah, it'll fit in this. All right. Heard a piece. How does it work? There's no button. Maybe you need the remote for it to work. Let's see, maybe you need the remote. No, there's no batteries in there yet. Oh no, there are batteries in there. No, nothing. Nothing. Maybe, look at this note off. Maybe, let me unplug it. Hold on. I kind of figured that, you know, it was pretty new anyway, so I don't know how much could be wrong with it. Let's pull the cover off it and see. Take all the screws out, I see. I don't know. Plastic coming out of that one. Plastic coming out of that one. sure. People love to watch. Oh, look at that. The front just came out. Oh, well, maybe I don't have to take... Well, I like to take the top off anyway. Huh. Looks pretty clean. Just take this off here and we can take a look at that closely. It doesn't look like it's been used. Well, there's a little bit of yellow down in there, but though pretty small. Oh, the coil goes underneath. I was just saying, that's a really small coil. I don't know. It looks pretty good. Looks clean. There's no dirt in it. Take some screws over here. There you go. To get, I'm in the process of getting a workshop together, but not yet. So I sure wish those people would. Guess I got no control over that. Screws in there. Is that it, I hope? Man, there's a lot of screws in this. Oop. I just stabbed the coil, look at that. Not too bad. Oh no, that doesn't have to come out. Oh, there you go. Let's get this on the floor. Get the screws out of the way. That's the part, the screws already. Alright. Here's the compressor. It's wrapped. I guess to keep it quiet, I'm assuming. Oops, sorry about that. You can. It looks. I don't know how big this unit is. It doesn't look very big. I think he said it was an 8,000 BTU. He told me 8,000. It's kind of. Let's put this back here. I would assume this is where the plug goes in. Let's see. There's a thing on the front here. It's a USB, so it must be Wi-Fi or something, because it's got a USB plug. There. See right there, whatever this thing is. It must be. I don't know. There's a screw right there. A screw right there. Oh, there's a screw right here. I can see another screw right here. And this is the only place that there's anything electrical. I was looking for like a circuit board of some sort. Oh, look at that. Huh. You don't suppose that's the problem? Well, maybe I did that when I pulled the... Huh, very interesting. Where does it go? Right there. It goes right there. Let's put that back and see if I can get that plug back in. Wow. Maybe that's all that's wrong with it. It clicked into place. There's a capacitor in there. I'm not even going to check anything because, I mean, this thing looks brand new, so how could it have that much wrong with it? I don't think so. Although you never know. Alright. Where's the plug? Let's try to plug it back in and see what happens. Wait a second, I need this thing here. I need like 4 hands to do this. Oh, now the beep was really loud. Oh, look at that, it came on. Huh. Now there's lights on the front. I guess that was the problem. I don't hear the compressor though. Where's the remote? I think you need... It's kind of weird that you need the remote to do everything, but I don't know. Quiet. High. Let's put on high. Let's see. Put it on cool. I don't know if it's on cool. I can't. Now it's on cool for sure. There's a light right there that says cool. It's on 61. No compressor though, but the fans are running. And this one's running. I don't want to touch. Although that, very interesting. Well, maybe that's all that was wrong with it. Although, how do you get the compressor to come on? There's the remote. On high. It's on high fan. Yeah, no compressor. Still has a problem. It's got a Wi-Fi light blinking. It's weird that there's no buttons on there. Get the remote. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, still no compressor. Maybe something in that board right there. I must have pulled that one. Well, I don't know. It wasn't running before at all, and the lights didn't. Well, I just plugged it in for 1 minute, but I didn't see any lights on the front. But I'm not exactly sure what was wrong with it before. Oh, look, there it goes. Compressor just turned on. Maybe it takes a few minutes for, in case you restart it or something. Is it getting cold? Yeah, it's getting cold. get a thermometer. Hang on a second. Let me see if I have a thermometer. Pretty sure I do. To fall into that fan. It's definitely getting cold. It's down to 70. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that display or not. I can feel cold air. 70, 69. Oh. Alright, well, cool. That's it, I guess. A free air conditioner that actually works. I guess just the plug came off it somehow. I'm going to put it back together and give it away to somebody because I really don't need it. Yeah, okay. Alright, well, thank you. See you soon. Well, this air conditioner is working pretty good, actually. I did find out that there actually are buttons there, like heat-sensitive buttons. You just put your finger on it, and it actually works that way. So it's just like a seamless look when you're not touching it. But it gets pretty cool. It gets pretty cold. You can actually see that display. It's down to 60, yeah. Can you see that? 59. I don't know how cold it should get. The one thing I got to say about this air conditioner, right now it's on high, and I'm sure you hear the wind noise because I had it right up against the thing, but this is a quiet air conditioner. It hardly makes any noise whatsoever on high speed. And again, you just touch the, that's kind of cool. And anybody interested, in the, what is it here? Here's the, let's see if I can get it in there. There's the information. That's the tag, the information tag on that. Alright, anyway. Somebody, we're going to give this thing away because I have no use for it. Anyway, again, I want to thank the air conditioner guy for giving me for influencing me to pick this up off the street, because I probably wouldn't have done it had I not watched his videos. But I have to say, he is a really, in my opinion, he's a really cool guy, and the stuff that he does with those vintage units, rebuilds them and all, and some of them just look way beyond repair, and he gets them done. Very impressive, very impressive. I watched the episode where he went to the original Fetters factory and they pulled an air conditioner out of the wall in the Fetters factory. I just can't get enough of that. It's just absolutely awesome. Anyway, thank you, Mr. Air Conditioner Guy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.